Come from behind, man, a man.
Oh, Lord, man. Where you getting on so far?
I mean, we're getting on so far. Don't follow me. I tell you, don't follow me, man.
Mustn't
Shit,
get
man,
on
you're stressing me, man.
Oh, Shims,
Shit,
man.
I mean, no Shims. What we following me for? Shit. What's you?
Behave yourself, no, man.
God, boy. I really thought you was a man.
Boy, you go tell me them kind of thing, girl.
God, man, it's all kind of things selling, boy. Red Bull, Pim juice, all them kind of thing.
I don't drink them thing. I have it natural.
Natural. When last you drink a good cup of Simos?
Last week I drank 14 cup of Simos.
What, the cups was empty or what? Look, man, go in the back and sort yourself out today for straighten me here.
Oh,
shit.
God, man, Jenny, baby.
Look.
I was tired.
Tired? Man, you see he's dead, you're dead. Hmm?
Jenny, have some patience now.
Patience? You looking like one in front of me right now.
Jenny, what did I do wrong?
You ain't do nothing. And that was wrong.
Jenny, you don't understand. I was trying.
Trying? Trying what? All them set of antics you're making inside there. Yeah. Ooh, ah, ooh, ha, ha, ooh, ah. And you still do nothing. What do you hear if it was Planet of the Apes? Shit, you didn't hear yourself?
I didn't hear you. I'm supposed to hear you too. I'm tired telling all you. One hand don't clap.
You try clapping with two hands when one in a sling.
Wait a minute. What are you trying to tell me?
I ain't trying to tell you. I'm telling you the thing in a sling. Remember when you was boasting and telling me all we gonna do to me when we meet? Talk. All of us only talk.
Well, I'm talking
Shit.
right now. Let me go back and try. We still have a chance.
Try. You just make a quick pick there and lost. But you're gambling here or what?
Jenny, for your sake and my sake, let me go back and try now, man.
I just was in hell and you feel I want to be in limbo now? Look.
Jenny, baby, darling. I love you with a passion.
You're passionately challenged. Shit.
You see why I was telling you forget all this foreplay and thing? Kissing up shit. Let me jump into the thing one time.
That is robbery.
What happened? It's dog season or what? How you aggressive, so?
Well, somebody had to be aggressive here, you know, boy. It's a whole day pay I lost to be with you.
I will pay you for the day, Jenny.
What the hell? If it's fears I'm making or what?
But it's you that won't pay. What the hell?
You can't pay me for the day, Roy.
All right, Jenny. All right. How much money you just make a day on your work?
$100 a day I just make on my work.
Stinking $100. I will give you the $100, Jenny.
What do you mean you give me the $100? This is the same thing, you know, boy. That is work.
Jenny, it's 8 hours a day you spend on that work for a stinking $100. How much time you here now?
You're damn fast. And I just tell you, that is work.
So what this is then? I'm just asking.
Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want.
You lie. You want more?
Does this man make me feel like it's fierce I'm making, boy?
Jenny, it's you that come up with the work and the pay and the all kind of stupidness. We were supposed to be a simple couple here making a little love, baby.
Forget it, Roy, and go. Just leave. Shit.
All right. You don't want the money then?
No, I don't want it.
All right, thanks,
Thanks, sir.
Thanks for the thing.
What thing? Hey, me no cheap woman here, you know.
Look, Jenny, I never tell you I get something free, you know.
Free? What you talking about, boy?
God, Jenny, why you just get on so with me all the time, man? Jenny, cool it now. Look, I have something here since Valentine's. I had this thing here for you.
I want it.
Wait a minute. It's $800 I spent on this thing for you. You know how you gonna want it? Look at the thing. Double feature, girl.
Let me see it.
I thought you didn't want it.
Let me see the thing.
Look at that. You know what you have in your hand there? That is 8 days pay you have in your hand there. And you even make up 4 hours yet.
Me I like how that song, you know?
I don't like how it's sung into. I'm just telling you, you're not on minimum wage.
It's gold?
So what do you think it is?
Listen, SpongeBob. It has some things that's be looking one way, boy. When you check it out, it's something else.
You're throwing that from here, what?
Ain't you catch it?
Jenny, baby. Anybody ever tell you how nice you just look, baby?
Anybody ever tell you?
Well, no, baby. I waited on you to start.
You live in a fool's paradise.
I don't mind being your fool, baby.
Well, you succeed, baby. Shit, don't come behind me. Ah, says this. Where's mice in your mouth now, or what?
No. I find it sound like a bird.
A bird? You mean Kobo?
What?
And Kobo don't sound so, eh?
So how come that song?
Listen to yourself. Shit.
Wait a minute, Jenny. You know, as you say Kobo day, something happened there in the back day. I want to tell you, but I know you will get vexed.
Wait is Roy.
Jenny, when we was kissing, I ain't telling you this.
Roy, wait is.
Jenny, don't get vexed, eh? When you and I was kissing in the back day, Jenny, your mouth was smelling stink.
Wait is, you said it?
Lord of mercy, like when you get vexed, it get worse.
I would let you don't call you know.
You better get some empowerment.
All you ask your nose right just leave.
All right. All right, I'm going. Go.
Shit.
I'm going.
Jenny!
Oh, shit, who's that?
Jenny, I forget my keys.
Who is that?
Open the door.
My husband.
Wait a minute, wait. I thought you tell me you're living alone.
Hide.
Hide where?
I'm coming just now, darling. I'm coming, baby. Hide. You know, my husband is an ignorant man, you know.
Jenny, have a hot piss on me.
Piss in the yard!
You have to go tell him I'm missing the one to you, boy.
He out there.
Shit, man. Just now, baby, I'm looking for the keys. Hide.
What? You mean hide? What's trying to go hide, man?
Jenny, oh gosh, man.
Well, you can't. You're not pushing the back there.
You know what?
What?
Freeze.
Freeze? What do you think? Ice?
Hey, freeze or else you're dead.
Hey, dead. Let him come. Let him come. Ooh. Oh, Lord have mercy, coming.
Darling.
Who is that?
Not who, honey. What? Let me go for the food now, babe.
Where you get it? It looking real.
I didn't tell you I joined an art class. Yes.
You join an art class?
Yes.
What kind of art is that?
Sculpture art. Your food.
Sculpture art?
Yes.
I thought sculpture art used to come in stone. This thing looking real good.
Yes. Well, you see, it's a new material scientists come up with to make the final product look real, smell real, and even move real. Let me go for your food now, darling.
Them people real good, you know.
Yes, boy. Science.
Well, let's call this piece of art.
A stand freeze.
Arts and freeze?
No. A stand freeze. One word, baby. One word.
You must see like that, eh? Have a man standing up there and ain't doing nothing.
I could never like a man who ain't doing nothing.
Let me ask you something now.
What?
It come with anything?
What?
Ting now, ting.
Oh, don't worry. Here come with nothing.
Here come with nothing or here hand nothing?
Here had nothing. Go for your food, not that.
Wait now. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ, girl. That thing ugly. Oh, God. That ugly. You know what it is to be that ugly? And they had nothing to.
That is a real sin.
So wait now.
What?
Why you put your panty on him?
Oh, God.
Let me see something.
Wait. Oh, God, they're going to kill him.
It got dead?
No. I mean, it's wet. It's still wet.
Oh, shit, it's true.
Yes, boy.
You never tell me it could have sweat.
Science, boy, science.
Science?
Yes.
Is there anything this could do?
Well, the manual says if you touch behind the head, something might happen. Now, I'll lower down. Lord, I hope you do something.
How you to stop it from whining?
Don't worry. You don't whine for long. You want to talk to him? Yes, the man will say you can talk to it too, you know. Yes.
You could talk to him?
Yes, ask us anything.
Jesus. I want to talk to you.
What?
Don't make the mistake and put that out in the yard, you know. Not even Kobo will shit on that. You could imagine if you send a picture of that to Ripley's believe it or not. They go send back and say they don't believe it. God, that thing ugly, girl.
All right,
Anyway,
now.
I have something to check. I'm coming now.
You know where your phone?
No, I'm coming now.
All right. Not too long.
You see all you? Eh? Why you set me up so?
Oh, God, shame on
Why you
nobody
gonna tell
going
the man I
on
have nothing? What's this?
But you have nothing.
Eh?
But you find out better than getting your tail chopped up, boy.
The
Won't
man
you?
just choked me here, man.
Because don't worry, no man. My husband is an ignorant man, you know. I
Well,
tell you.
listen to me, I real ignorant myself, you know. If I wasn't signed up so, girl, I would have licked him down.
You're real good, you know, boy. You stand up like a real statue, boy.
Yeah, that's a big joke for you. Where my clothes is?
Oh, it's in the bedroom.
I'm going for it.
Oh, the aluminium good.
I'm going
the
for
man
it.
now gone, so I'm to
That
you,
one is
boy.
my clothes are going for. Let go.
Oh, God.
He coming back. Let
come.
go.
Oh, darling, you
Oh,
know where you
Lord,
want
have
it?
mercy coming.
Oh, I have the food inside for you. You know, you ready for it now?
Food?
You're ready? Yes.
Food. You move it?
I ain't tell it can move.
You tell me come on.
Yes.
Yeah.
Science.
Sayang. When I move, you move.
What did you do, man? What did you do?
You never tell me could I run to.